Good morning everyone! We are from Group 2 of Class 9B. Before starting, let me introduce myself and my friends. I'm Franciscus Jonathan Tendi with Jonathan Nathaniel Halim, Mevi, and Davis Pradika.
Beside is Nusa Tenggara, which the Komodo dragon Kalimantan also has its one legendary dragon, the earless monitor lizard, commonly known as the Borneo monitor lizard. The earless monitor lizard, also called the Borneo monitor lizard or sometimes referred to as the living fossil of Borneo, is one of the rare reptiles in the world. This species is remarkable because it is the only monitor lizard that can be found and that live naturally in Kalimantan, Indonesia. Its distribution is very limited, and unlike the Komodo dragon that's inhabited several islands, the earless monitor lizard is restricted solely to the forest and waterways of Borneo. This makes it not only unique but also highly vulnerable. The existence of the lizard in Kalimantan is closely related to the environment of the island. Kalimantan has decent tropical rainforest and humid climate, both of which are ideal conditions for the species. The combination of abundant rainfall, muddy soil, and clean rivers creates the perfect habitat where the lizard can thrive. In fact, the Earth's monitor lizard cannot survive well in water conditions, which is why it is considered endemic to the Borneo. Scientists even describe it as a relic species because it has survived for millions of years almost unchanged, while many other relatives in its family have long gone extinct. Physically, the earless monitor lizard is much smaller than most other monitor in Indonesia. While the Komodo dragon can reach their matter in length, the earless monitor lizard only measure about 45 to 55 centimeters. This relative small size makes it the smallest type of monitor lizard in the country. Its skin is dark brown in color, which helps its camouflage with the muddy ground and forest environment. Toward its belly, the color becomes selector of fats, giving it a two-tone appearance that is useful for blending into both soil and water.
The lizard has 5 toes on each limb. Each armed with sharp claws. These claws are essential for digging in muddy banks, climbing through vegetation, and capturing prey. One of its most unusual features is its eyes. Unlike many reptiles, the earless monitor lizard has semi-transparent eyelids, which allow it to see while swimming underwater. This special adaptation helps it remain alert to predators and prey even when submerged. However, the most striking and defining characteristic is its lack of external ears. As its name suggests, the lizard has no visible ear openings. Despite this, it is not deaf. Instead of relying on external ears, it is able to detect sound and vibration through the ground. Vibration travels through the soil and into its skull, allowing it to hear in a unique way. This adaptation shows how well the species has evolved to its environment. The earless monitor lizard is a nocturnal species, meaning it prefers to be active at night. During the day, it usually hides in burrows, under rocks, or near tree roots close to water source. At night, it comes out to hunt, build nests, or explore its watery habitat. Its dependence on rivers and streams is very high. In fact, breeding often occurs in or near water, and in terms of diet, the earliest monitor lizard is an opportunistic carnivore. Like many other monitors, it feeds on snake eggs, earning it the nickname the enemy of snakes. By consuming snake eggs, it plays an important role in controlling snake population in its environments. Besides snake eggs, it also feeds on small reptiles, amphibians, earthworms, tadpoles, and sometimes even insects. Its diet reflects its ability to adapt to the resources available in the forest and wetland ecosystem.
For defense, this animal has developed several strategies. It is believed to possess venomous glands and chemical compounds that help it protect itself from threats. Although its venom is not as dangerous as that of a snake, it still provides an effective deterrent against predators. Its thick tail and strong scales act as armor, shielding it from bites and scratches. In addition, its camouflage coloring allows it to hide easily in mud or water, making it difficult for predators to detect. Conservationists regard the earless monitor lizard as extremely important. It is listed as a protected species in Indonesia because its population is threatened with extinction. The main threats come from illegal hunting and the exotic pet trade. Because of its unique appearance and rarity, many reptile collectors around the world have sought to obtain it, sometimes paying high price on the black market. This has led to significant pressure on the wild population. In addition, habitat loss due to deforestation, logging, and land conversion in Borneo has further reduced the space where the lizard can live.
Yet, the significance of this species goes beyond its rarity. Ecology, the earless monitor lizard plays an important role as an indicator of environmental health. Since it lives in clean water and muddy soil, its presence is a sign of fertile land and unpolluted rivers. If this species disappears, it may indicate that the ecosystem is degrading or that pollution levels are increasing. Thus, protecting the lizard is not only about saving one species, but also about preserving the balance of the entire ecosystem in Kalimantan. Efforts to conserve this animal are ongoing. The Indonesian government has included it in the list of species protected by law, meaning it is illegal to hunt, capture, or trade the earless monitor lizard. International Conservation Organization has also highlighted its importance, raising awareness about the threats it faces. Research programs are being conducted to better understand its behavior, reproduction, and habitat needs. These studies are essential because the species is so secretive and little is known about its exact population numbers in the wild.